Next section, endocrine disorders. The endocrine system is a network of glands that produce and release hormones that helps control many important body functions, including the body's ability to change calories into energy that powers cells and organs. Can you define endocrine disorders? The endocrine system influences how your heart beats, how your bones and tissues grow, even your ability to make a baby. It plays a vital role in whether or not you develop diabetes, thyroid disease, growth disorders, sexual dysfunctions, and a host of other hormone related disorders. Types of endocrine diseases. Endocrine disorders may be subdivided into three groups. First, endocrine gland hyposecretion leading to hormone deficiency. Second, endocrine gland hypersecretion leading to hormone excesses. Three, tumors, benign or malignant, of endocrine glands. Detail going on. First, disorders due to hormone deficiency, hyposecretion. Disorder acromicuria in adults, hyposecretion, somatotropin hormone. Symptoms: bones of the face and extremities are small and delicate. Look at this picture. Disorder, Addison's disease, hyposecretion of aldosterone. Symptoms: hypertension, dizziness, vomiting, diarrhea, low blood sugar, low plasma Na plus, high plasma K plus, increased urinary N plus, and bronze like pigmentation of skin. Look at this picture. Addison's disease. Disorder, cretinism in children, hyposecretion, thyroxine. Symptoms: retarded growth, low intelligence, delayed sexual maturity. This picture. Disorder, diabetes insipidus. Hyposecretion, vasopressin, ADHD. Symptoms: enormous secretion of urine, polyuria, excess thirst, polydipsia, etc. Look at these pictures. Disorder: diabetes mellitus. Hyposecretion, insulin. Symptoms: hyperglycemia, high sugar level in blood, glycosuria, sugar in urine, polyphagia, overeating, polydipsia, excess thirst, and polyuria, frequent urination. Look at this picture, a diabetes mellitus. Disorder: myxedema in adults. Hyposecretion, thyroxine. Symptoms: physical sluggishness, mental dullness, low metabolic rate, dry and coarse skin, puffy face. Look at these pictures. Disorder: dwarfism, hyposecretion, somatotrophin. Symptoms: short in structure. Look at this picture, dwarfism. Disorder: tetany, hyposecretion, parathrombin, PTH. Symptoms: step down in blood calcium level, abnormal rise in excitability of nerves and musculus, sustained and violent contraction of muscles of face, larynx, hands and feet. Look at this picture. Disorder: anechoidism, hyposecretion of testosterone. Symptoms: lack of male secondary sexual characters and sterility, etc. Disorders due to hormone deficiency, hyposecretion, in short. Acromicria in adults, somatotrophin hormone. Addison's disease, aldosterone hormone. Cretinism in children, thyroxine. Diabetes insipidus, vasopressin, ADH. Diabetes mellitus due to hyposecretion of somatotrophin. Myxedema in adults, thyroxine. Dwarfism, somatotrophin, tetany, parathrombin, PTH, enochoidism, testosterone. Second, disorder due to excess hormone hypersecretion. Detail going on. Disorder, acromegaly in adults, hypersecretion of somatotrophin. Symptoms, abnormal growth of bones of face, lower jaw, hands and feet. Enlargement of internal organs such as lungs, spleen, etc. Look at this picture. This is normal hand. This is acromegaly hand. Some more pictures. Disorder, adrenal virilism in female, hypersecretion, sex corticoids. Symptoms, masculinization of females such as growth of beards and nostrils and male voice, etc. Look at this picture. Disorder, Cohen syndrome, hypersecretion of aldosterone. Symptoms, headache, excessive urination at night, excessive thirst, excessive urination, increase volume of blood, increase blood sodium level, high alkalinity of blood body fluids. Disorder, Cushing syndrome, hypersecretion of cortisol. Symptom, high blood sugar, obesity, deposition of fat in the face, neck, etc. Disorder, exophthalmic goiter, Graves' disease, hypersecretion, thyroxine. Symptoms, hypertrophy of thyroid gland, increase metabolism, disorder, gigantism in children, hypersecretion, somatotrophin. Symptoms, excessive height, extreme bone, muscles and organ growth. Look at this picture. Disorder, hyperglycemia, hypersecretion of glucogen. Symptoms, polyphagia, polydipsia, polyuria, blurred vision, fatigue or sleepiness, weight loss, poor wound healing, cut, dry mouth, dry or itch skin. Look at this picture. Disorder, glucagon, hypersecretion of insulin. Symptoms, abnormal lowering of blood glucose, hypoglycemia, sudden fall of body temperature, fatigue, tremor and unconsciousness. Look at this picture. Disorder, kidney stone, hypersecretion of parathrombin. Symptoms, accumulation of calcium in blood and it participate with phosphates to form kidney stones. Look at this picture, kidney stones. Disorder, osteitis fibrosa cystica, hypersecretion of parathrombin. Symptoms, calcification of soft tissue like blood vessels. Look at this picture, calcification. Third, tumors, benign or malignant, of endocrine glands. Endocrine tumors are classified according to the particular endocrine glands that are involved, the type of cell from which the cancer developed. The part of the body that is affected. We have information on the following types of endocrine tumors: adrenal gland tumors, multiple endocrine neoplasia, MENI, multiple endocrine neoplasia 2, MEN2, pancreatic cancer, parathyroid gland tumors, pituitary gland tumors, thyroid cancer. How to maintaining a healthy glandular system? 1. Exercise regularly. 2. Include more raw foods and good fats in diet to keep our blood sugar levels balanced. 3. Eat smaller portion or sizes. 4. Consume easily digested proteins. 5. Supplement with high quality products. 6. Start to relax earlier in the evening and get to sleep. 7. Listen to relaxing, encouraging and uplifting music. 8. Replace negative thought with positive thoughts. 9. Positive attitude towards religion. 10 engage in positive emotional outlets like traveling, hobbies, clubs, etc. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.